baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that maybe. Let's talk about sex.
Struggle is real. I'm 46, 3 kids, we've got gravity, we've got aging, you know? You gotta do some tune-ups sometime. It's just life. Technology is so amazing that we have so many great treatments out there to keep us looking and feeling 20. I've got Ashley here in the house who is going to be rejuvenating the vajayjay. Did I just say that out loud? I'm 46. I can say what I want, right?
You sure can.
I know you're like, oh, what is she doing? It's not a big deal. This treatment is super easy. It's not painful. And that is why I'm seriously going to be doing this live as we speak.
We've got the Femi Lift. It's a CO2 laser. We use it for vaginal rejuvenation. So it's used to tone and tighten the vagina, any vaginal dryness issues, help stimulate orgasm. And also, most importantly for a lot of women in their 40s and above, we start to get a little urinary leakage when we exercise, do jumping jacks or cough or sneeze.
Be really honest about this. That is my struggle. Out of all the things that she just listed, that is my biggest pain point, and it really, truly is a big pain point for women. When you go to the gym, it's embarrassing. I've done this treatment multiple times, and I was actually really excited to come back because it does work. It makes you feel like a new woman, and it's amazing when you can do jumping jacks and squat bounces and all these things, because I feel like a lot of you are not getting the high intensity that you need because you're worried that you're going to drip and leak. Ladies, am I hearing ya? Guys, stop it. We gave you these babies. This is real life.
In less than 2 minutes, we'll be done.
Here it goes. A little bit of heat. We're bringing sexy back right here with these glasses. Oh yeah. Seriously, this is nothing. There's a little bit of heat, but nothing of anything. It's pretty freaking simple. Come once a month for 3 months. You get the 4th treatment free and $1,000 off when you mention Lifestyle Jewels, which is like freaking amazing. And I'm telling you what, if you have any one of these issues, it's a big deal. So why not come in and do something super easy and done? Let's talk about this, you guys. Can you say super easy, super painless, located right here in Scottsdale?
85% of the people that we treat get a result within those first 3 months. Sometimes people need a 4th or 5th treatment, and so that's why we're including that 4th treatment.
I really, truly believe in this. I noticed huge improvements right away, and it's just kind of maintenance.
Exactly. So after your initial 3 treatments, you come back once a year. We just do 1 treatment. It's a booster treatment. 3 days a visit.
You all know now what I'm doing or not doing for the next 3 days.
And no baths too.
Oh my God, I forgot about that.
I know.
Shoot.
I was waiting to throw that at you. I know you love your baths.
Oh my gosh. All right. So worth it.